everywhere you
Should we go shopping?
I want some Starbucks.
OMG. What is that?
Oh my
What is
God.
that? Oh my god. Pick it up. It's a smart potion. OMG, let me see. We're smart now. OMG. We should do like a chemistry lesson.
Yes.
More like balancing equations. Yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Law of conservation of matter. Now let's see what that really means.
Matter can't be created or destroyed. Also, number of atoms for each element before and after a reaction must be the same.
A combination reaction is when two things combine to make one thing.
An example of this would be A plus B equals A, B combined. A decomposition reaction is when one thing breaks down into two things.
An example would be X, Y turns into X plus Y.
Make sure you look for one reactant and two products.
A combustion reaction is when there is burning to produce H2O plus CO2.
An example of this would be O2 equals CO2 plus H2O.
Single replacement. It's a type of oxidation reduction chemical reaction when an element or ion moves out of one compound and into another. That is, one element is replaced by another in a compound. This is represented by a general reaction scheme.
An example would be A plus BC equals AC plus B.
This will most often occur if A is more reactive than B.
A double replacement.
A double replacement is a chemical reaction between two compounds where the positive ion of one compound is exchanged with the positive ion in another compound.
An example of a double replacement is AB plus CD equals AD plus CB.
And that is what single replacement and double replacement mean.
Balancing equations is basically when you make both sides equal on the reactant and product sides.
Okay.
Here's an example of balancing an equation.
So you're going to start off by putting a line down the middle because you want to separate both sides of the equation. And these products will be written down on this side because that's the side they're on. And you will do the same with the other side because they're also on that side. Okay, and there, you know that beginning there's 3 oxygens, so you will write down the 3 next to the oxygen. And you also know that of Fe there's 2 because it's right next to it. And then for Mg there's 1 because there is no number next to it. And then for Fe here there's only 1 because there's no number next to it. And for Mg and oxygen there's only 1. So this whole side is just 1. And so since you're balancing, since you are, the whole point of this is balancing equations, you want to get them to try to be equal, so all these numbers should equal the same thing.
And how do you do that, Melissa?
Okay, and you will do that because
How?
you will, so since Mg is right here, you will multiply oxygen. No, we're actually going to start off with oxygen because it's a bit easier to do. So since oxygen on this side is 3, you want to make sure this one's 3. So you multiply this side by 3 so that the oxygen here is equal to this oxygen. Any questions? No? Okay. So then you write 3 oxygens on this side because 3 times 1 oxygen is 3. So that's how you get this number. And then but then what you're also changing is the mg. So then mg here will now be 3. And then, but Fe on this side is 2, right? So now, then you multiply it times 2 on this side. So then that's Fe2, and then that's 2 on this side. Okay? So now the only thing that you need to change now is the mg, because it's the only thing not matching with this mg. So
what do you do for that?
you multiply times 3 here, and since 3 times 1 is 3, you just put a 3 there. And your final numbers are 3, 2, and 3.
So now your equation is balanced equally on both sides.
Yes. If you have any other questions, raise your hands or
Or not.
get tutoring from your teacher. Oh my god, I want to be smarter. We should put some more on.
We
Yeah.
seriously should.
Yeah, we need to be like,
Albert
Albert
Einstein.
yeah, okay. Do you guys feel anything? Is it working?
I
feel
feel
like
I don't know.
going shopping.
Starbucks!
Oh my god.
Oh my
frappuccino
god, let's
latte.
go.
Yes.
Let's go, guys.
Stay in school, guys.
They're not answering. Should we just call Domino's?
Yeah.
Matter can be this.
Okay.
Okay.
I was like, why can't I find like?
Hanged up on me. What is wrong with that? Come on now, we're trying to give you service over here. Give you money.
Oh my god. Okay, let's start.
Keys into the future.
I am recording. Make noise.
Oh, wait, hold on. I have an idea.
You guys are literally so weird.
Okay. Patricia, someone's calling you. Your twin. We're not gonna answer.
I was covering the word, Melissa.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Law of conservation of matter. Let's talk about that. Okay? Let's see what it means.
I was like,
Okay, hold on.
I thought you were gonna say something.
Okay.
I was like,
Good job, guys.
Okay.
Never got one.